Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you two of the resources from where you can get copyright-free SVG images as well as some vector graphics which you can utilize to create your Redbubble design. So now let's get started and jump into the computer.
A few moments later.
Screen, and I'm going to show you two of this website. The first is known as publicdomainvectors.org. Now there are a lot of designs which are available on this website which you can use, okay, for your Redbubble designs, okay. But one thing is must, that you must not use these designs directly. Just download this design and don't upload these designs to Redbubble. You won't get any sale out of it because most of the people are doing that stuff, okay. Don't do that. But you can take some of the designs from over this website and then you can just add your own creativity as well as your own modifications to this designs, and after that you can just take these designs and create very good designs out utilizing these designs, okay. So you can see there are so many of the SVG files as well as PNG files also are available on this website. So you can just download all these files and you can use this, okay, in your Photoshop or in your Photopea, okay. So you can just download these images, use those images to create your own artwork for Redbubble, and this is really an awesome website and you won't get any copyright because all these are public domain artworks, okay. So that's something which you can utilize to create your designs. Now let's jump towards the second one. The second one is known as freesvg.com. Now you can see that I have searched here for the Valentine's Day, which is the upcoming trend, and I'm just currently creating some of the designs for the Valentine's Day. So I came across this website and I searched for some of the inspiration so that I can create some more designs on my Redbubble shop for the Valentine's niche, and that's the reason why I have opened this website and I want to share this website with you. You can also get some of the ideas from over here and utilize these ideas, but one thing you should remember: don't directly download the images and upload it to Redbubble, but use your own creativity, add up something of your own to those designs, and only after that just upload that design to Redbubble. And in this way you can get really some awesome results on Redbubble by sticking to the trends and creating very good images. So you are getting here PNG images as well as SVG images which you can download from this website also and use those images for creating your own Redbubble designs. So I hope you will utilize both of these very good resources for your Redbubble designs and make more sales and more designs for Redbubble.
One eternity later.
Friends, these are the best websites from where you can get some SVG images as well as vector images which you can utilize for your Redbubble designs. I'm not gonna say that you just pick the pictures from those websites and directly put it on Redbubble, but you can just take those pictures, make your creative art utilizing those pictures, and after that you can upload those pictures to Redbubble and really make some good sales on Redbubble. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.